Hello everyone! Welcome back to the GeoVision Technical Support YouTube channel. Today we're going to explore 4 amazing new features and take a look at the latest updates in GV-VMS V20.1. AMD APUs and multiple GPU supports video decoding. Send push notification from GV-VMS V20.1 to GVI. New absence event detection feature. Mask compatible recognition on GV-VMS V20.1. One of the most anticipated features in GV-VMS V20.1 is the new support for AMD APUs and multiple AMD graphics cards for GPU decoding. This allows GV-VMS V20.1 to utilize supported AMD APUs and multiple AMD graphics cards for hardware-based video decoding, helping improve overall performance. Here are some of the supported AMD GPUs and AMD APUs. You can find the complete list and more details in the video description. Let's check the next feature. Send push notification from GV-VMS V20.1 to GVI. GVI now supports push notifications from GV-VMS V20.1 or later. This means users can receive instant event alerts directly on their mobile devices, even when GVI is running in the background. This makes it easier to stay informed and respond quickly to important events. Set a push notification for PVD motion on GV-VMS V20.1. From GV-VMS V20 dashboard, go to the toolbar. Click Configure, then System Configure. Click Send Alert Approach Setup. The Event Action window will now appear, where we can configure event notifications. You can configure an existing event or create a new event. For this demonstration, we will create a new event. Click the plus button to add a new event. Uncheck the event to select PVD motion. Next, click the Event drop-down menu and select PVD motion as the event type. Now we can enable the event. Under Set Action, make sure Notify is selected. Then configure the required notification interval time if needed. Now select the camera that will be used to trigger the notification. Now, select Mobile as the notification method. Then click Setting to configure the mobile device that will receive the notification. Here, select and enable the mobile device that has already been connected to GV-VMS. After selecting the device, click OK to save the settings. Next, enable monitoring for the selected camera. Check push notification on GVI mobile device. On the mobile device, make sure notifications are enabled. When motion is detected by the configured camera, GV-VMS V20 triggers the PVD motion event. The next new feature on GV-VMS V20.1 is absence event detection. This feature allows GV-VMS to monitor a selected area and generate an event when a configured person or vehicle is no longer detected within that area for a specified period. For this demonstration, we will configure absence event detection for a vehicle and set the tolerance time to 5 seconds. Go to the toolbar. Click Configure, and then select System Configure. Under System Configure, click Record Setting. In the Record Setting window, select the camera you want to configure. Then, click Motion Setting. The Advanced Motion Detection Setup window will now open. First, enable PVD. From the drop-down list, select the required detection type. You can choose People Detection, Vehicle Detection, or People-Vehicle Detection both. For this demonstration, we will use the Vehicle Detection type for our test. Next, enable Absence Event Detection. Now, configure the tolerance time for the absence alarm. For this demonstration, we will set the tolerance time to 5 seconds. Then, click Setting for additional configuration. In the Settings window, you can configure the size filter for people and vehicles. Next, enable Show React to display the detection result. Make sure ROI is selected from the drop-down. Then adjust the detection area from the preview screen by clicking and moving the red dots. Now click OK to save. Enable Register Motion Event. Next, enable Record and select PVD Motion. Then, click OK to save the configuration. Now turn on monitoring to see GV-VMS V20 in action. Let's filter out only the absence events. GV-VMS V20 also includes a powerful feature for detecting people wearing face masks. The latest version of GV-VMS V20 can recognize a person wearing a mask when their normal face is already enrolled in GV Face Manager, without requiring any additional enrollment or setup. This makes GV face recognition even more useful in environments where people may need to wear masks, such as medical facilities, hospitals, laboratories, and other restricted areas. It can also help security teams identify authorized or unauthorized individuals, even when part of their face is covered, making it easier to monitor restricted areas and maintain security without requiring users to remove their masks. Let's enroll a user quickly. Go to the toolbar. Configure. Now, Face Manager. Select GV-VMS. Click Face Enrollment. Add User. add a normal picture of the user. Now, let's test GV-VMS face recognition with both unmasked and masked faces and see how accurately it can recognize the person. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.